Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a DoorDash account. Pretty simple, just follow me closely. The first thing I'd like you to do is to head over to Google Play Store or Apple Store, whichever device you're using. I'm heading over to Google Play Store. Now, right here from the search bar, which is at the top corner of that screen, go ahead and type DoorDash. Click on that and that's going to take you to the app itself. So right here it says DoorDash. I hope you can find DoorDash right there. It says DoorDash for delivery and you see installed right there. It means I have already installed DoorDash in my phone. But if you have not installed DoorDash, you see that button that says open is definitely going to be installed. So all you need to do is to click on that install button just right beside DoorDash there. And once you click on the install button, it's going to take you to a process where you're going to have to wait for it to be installed and completely downloaded. Now, once it has been downloaded successfully, head over to your phone. Right there, you're going to see open, so you can even open it right there. Okay, so let's say I'm going all the way back to Play Store and I'm going all the way back to DoorDash. So let's say after installing successfully, you're going to see that banner that says, or that prompt that says installed, and you're going to find open once it has installed right here. So once you go ahead and click on open, it's going to open you up to the account or to the page itself. Now, because I have already installed and signed up, you can see the starting option. It's going to take me right into the home page. But if you are yet, or if you're yet to create an account, which is the essence of this tutorial, once you get into the DoorDash application, you're going to see an option right below that says sign up or sign in. All right. So go ahead and use the sign up option. Now you're going to see a couple more options, like two more options to use to create an account. You're going to see either create an account using Google, or you're going to see an option to create an account using Facebook, or create an account using email. Okay, I like to recommend that you use Google. So if you click create an account using Google, or you click the Google option, it's just going to tell you to choose the Google account that has been saved in your phone, or add another Google account, anyone you want to use. So once you choose any Google account, right, it's just going to automatically sign you into DoorDash. But then they're going to have to take you through the process of phone number verification. So they'll have to ask you to add a phone number of your choice. Now, DoorDash is not available to all countries. You can either use United States or Canada or Australia, any of these countries. So you're going to have to add any of the numbers. And once you add the number, you're going to go through a process of phone number verification. After verifying your phone number, is going to take you right into this homepage where you're going to be asked to add an address. So add an address that is nearby so that you can explore all of the features in DoorDash. So that's pretty much the process. Like I say, I recommend Google. All right, I recommend Google, or you can definitely use Facebook, or you can use the email, whichever option. Signing up is pretty much easy. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.